How to recover Temu account password. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Temu application on your device first. The homepage of Temu will appear. Tap on the U option on the bottom of your screen and you will be led to the Sign In for Best Experience interface. Tap on Sign In/Register option. You will see the option for trouble signing in. Tap on that. Now, if you registered an account with your email address but forgot your password, tap on the Reset Your Password button. But if you forgot your account, you can try to find your account by email, phone number, or order ID by tapping on Find Your Account. Since we are trying to recover Temu account password, click on Reset Your Password. Now enter your email address in the text box there and click on Submit in order to get the verification code. Once submitted, enter the verification code you received on your email address. You will now be led to the interface to create a new password. Create a new password and click on Submit. With this, the password is recovered successfully. You can now go to the U page again and sign into Temu and enjoy shopping. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.